Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ida, and to the new subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I just want to say I'm sorry for not posting the monthly setup for November. Anyway, here is the weekly setup for week 46, which is Monday 14th today till Sunday 20th. So it's a real simple setup with leaves. I know it's not the most original theme, kind of, subhanallah. Anyway, it turned out pretty cute, and I liked it. I did. And here I am trying some attempt for calligraphy with my shaky Stevens hands. Anyway, it turns out actually pretty good, and I do show the cover page and the quote page somewhere in the video, and I really liked it, so I hope you do too. And remember that this is just for fun. Just it helps me keep track of what I need to do every day. And the great thing about bullet journaling is that you know, if you don't want to do it for a month or two or a week or whatever, you can just skip it. And yeah, so anyway, here I am doodling some leaves, and I will write in the description box the subhanallah, the markers that I used, if anyone has any interest for the stationery supplies that I'm using. So here I'm just coloring in. Color. No specific main color, just fall theme. So it's just all over the place. A little bit messy, but it's kind of cute and okay in its own way. Here we go. The cover page, and hijabi and sweater weather is so much better, and that is so true in November. And here we go. Here is the weekly setup. Easy, done, and thank you for watching. Bye. Love you. Stay healthy, stay safe, be nice, be kind, take care. Thanks again for watching. Yes, it's Monday today. Bye. Peace. Or assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.